My name is Big Al. I'm the e-commerce director for Feldman Automotive, and we're located at Feldman Chevrolet of Novi in Novi, Michigan. What co-op funds are is a way the OEM helps us with advertising spend. So based off a percentage of the MSRP of the vehicle, they will match us in a dollar amount to that. The way I like to break it down pretty simple for people, it's like when my sister helped my son, or her son, save up to buy a car, for every dollar he's saved, she would match it with 50 cents. And basically that's what the OEM does with us. The person who handles co-op for us within our group is our office manager, who handles the actual keeping track of where those funds are. Because it can be a little complicated, just like balancing a checkbook. Not many of us ever do that anymore with our debit cards, because you're spending money now and reimbursements will be coming at a later date. So it is a little difficult to keep track on, but myself and our general managers in our location have access to the accounts, and we can see where our balances are. But we leave that one person in charge of making sure that we are where we're at, where we need to be. The reason it's important to communicate with our vendors about the co-op dollars is, number one, to make sure that what we're doing is matching up with the rules of the co-op funds. So the OEM is going to have different limitations as far as advertising. For example, if we're going to be doing banner ads or anything like that digitally, it's going to have to meet the OEM standards. So if we're not communicating with our vendors that it has to be co-op approvable, there's a good chance we could spend money that we won't get reimbursed our co-op dollars. If I could give advice to a dealer who is currently not using their co-op funds, would be to take a look at the vendors I'm currently using and to see if they are co-opable. And then approach those vendors and see how they can maximize their spend with them before reaching out to any other companies, because if they just take a look at what they're already spending, their net spend can greatly go down if they just access their co-op funds.